Boys and girls, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page in the weekend edition of Saturday, December the 23rd, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and this one you are interested, the binary puzzle. And this binary puzzle will be number 7672. 7672. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. And double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So this should be the 5th O. So the other 2 boxes should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Then, well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Still have 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then. Wow. This is, well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Okay. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to compare, I believe. Compare. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I need to compare now. This is difficult. We have here 4 columns completed and 1, 2, 3 rows completed. We have here double 1 here. No, we have a double O here. We have also here, no, not the same. Not the same. Yeah. No, not the same. Not the same. Come on. How about here, the double O? No. This is not the same. How about the double 1 here? Well. Double O here. Here we have a double O. No, here we have a double 1. Ay. Where is the opening? Here. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 anti-box between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and this should be the fifth O. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this should be the O. Now we have a double O here. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Finish in 7 minutes. Well, without comparing. And we solve it again. And I like this one here. So we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.